Hello there. Today I'll be showing you how to sharpen up your metal detecting shovels to make it a lot easier for you to metal detect. I just hate it when you have a blunt shovel and you can't get to where you need to go. That's an edge on mine. It's pretty blunt. It's another one. These rust up after a while, it doesn't affect them. They're just bunning shovels, you get them for $10. Too easy. So basically, I'll just get the camera. All you need is an emery wheel, a bit of sandpaper. This is too easy. If you don't have the emery wheel, you can just use really coarse sandpaper just to grind the edge down. It will take a lot longer. Okay, so I'll see if I can get you set up there. So, yep. Turn this bad boy up. Now basically what you want to do, you want to work to the top of that edge. From about there to the top to there. Now it's going to be a bit hard to do this. Set up. That's that shovel done. I don't know if I can get it on this camera, but you see how there's that nice edge there now. And what you do is just make sure those edges haven't got any pointy bits sticking up on them, because there's nothing worse than getting cut by your own shovel. There you have it. That's all it takes. That shovel's ready to go. It'll last maybe 10-15 digs. Then you just sharpen it up again. Takes 10 minutes and makes your life a whole lot easier. Well, that's pretty much it for today. I've got that one to do now. And keep looking on my YouTube page. There's going to be a heap more metal detector videos coming soon with the CTX 3030. See you then. Bye.